So, the procedure was, my procedure was that I came in with, so pink being acidic and green being alkaline, or correct me if I'm wrong. And so I said that the plant will probably change color, and it did. And so my conclusion is that my hypothesis was correct, and as you can see, pink, purple, and green. You can't really tell. Green, maybe you can now. Yeah, you can tell now better. And this is originally what it looked like. And then I went to this. Then it went to that, and then it went to this. So that is what it is. So I was correct, and I found out that I was. Okay, I'm just gonna end this here because I don't know what to do.